Hey there, Scott Monday again with Kitchen and Bath Crate. Today I want to talk about a pain point that you probably heard before as well, and it's the pain point that remodels make my house messy. Specifically, the contractors leave their stuff everywhere or dust out the project or dust out the house, and really at the end of the day create just an environment that's not really good to be living in the home, right? And it really makes sense why this is a big pain point, because during a remodel project, stress can get pretty high, right? You have strangers in the home, you have a space in your home that you can't use readily, and it can just create this higher level of stress. And to add to that mix, the home being a mess or things not being put away can be even more stressful. So let me tell you a few things that makes Kitchen and Bath Crate different and how we solve that very real pain point. First of all, the crate is a key part of this. The crate is this large container in front of your home, and what it does is it allows us to have a really good amount of square footage for storage of your project materials, or even if your appliances are being reused, we can put them into the crate so they're not cluttering up your garage or things like that. The crate is a fantastic tool that we use to help make sure that your home doesn't turn into our job site. Another thing that we do is we have this little thing called the sock rule. And really what that means is, at the end of each day, our goal is to make sure that you can walk into your remodeled room, literally the one under construction, in your socks or in your bare feet, and not have to worry about hurting yourself or getting stuff on your feet or things like that. Now, I will admit this is a challenge because remodels can be messy, but each day we're cleaning the job, we're vacuuming the job, we're doing our best to make sure that you can walk in your socks and be comfortable. Last thing I'll mention, as I did in the last video, is dust control. It's really important we set that up. Dust walls, zipper doors, all those types of things, negative pressure into the job space. Super important to keep your home as dust-free as possible. So those are just a few ways that we keep your home clean and orderly during construction. Can't wait to talk with you next about how we make sure the team that's working on your job is one that you'd be proud to have in your home. Thanks so much.